Never forget where you're coming from. King Shango set the trend. Yo, I want them. Mama.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. Today we are back with another house hunting video and we are in RIOS in the parish of St. Anne. Now this isn't so much a development that we have for you today, but it is 4 townhouses within an established gated community. Okay, so this isn't a development of houses that all look the same, or kind of cookie cutter houses as some people call it. This community is an area where people buy their lots and they build their own homes. Okay, now this developer has built 4 townhomes and that's what we're going to show you today. Now there is only one left. Okay, so the developer built 4 townhomes, 3 of them are already sold and this is the last one. Guys, we went to have a look at this townhouse yesterday, Sunday, and I said I have to put it out for you guys today, Monday. So if you're interested, then please do get in contact with the number at the end of the video to express your interest. This developer will be building more of these townhouses within this gated community. Okay, so if it's something that you may be interested in, then keep a lookout. We'll keep you updated. Okay, information on this townhouse: it's a 2-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom townhouse. Okay, there is room to make that into a 3-bedroom, as you'll see in the video. There is a space downstairs in the outside that can be converted into an extra bedroom, or you can extend the living room, so you do have the option of adding a 3rd bedroom. Guys, I'm not going to speak too much throughout the video. I'm going to make the house speak for itself. You can form your own opinions on it, but like I said, if you are interested, all of the details are available at the end of the video on who to contact. This is really in the heart of RIOS. It's walking distance to everything. Beautiful location in Mansfield, and as you'll see from the video, guys, beautiful views as well. Guys, I hope you enjoy this video and I'll catch up with you at the end. Oh, the price, the important thing, the price. Right, so it's priced at $325,000 US dollars. $325,000 US dollars. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe. And until next time, that me say.
This one has got to be now. Hey, Mr. Cruz. If it's money, we don't talk about it, cause we don't brag about it. House on the hill, that's how we go about it.